Italian robotics engineers are making some impressive progress, and their latest humanoid robot is a great example of how quickly the field is moving. A company called Generative Bionics recently introduced GENE.01 at AMD's Advancing AI event in San Francisco, showing off a robot that went from an early concept to a fully functional prototype in just 6 months. Instead of being another futuristic idea, GENE.01 is designed as a practical platform that developers and companies can start building on right away. One of the robot's most interesting features is its advanced artificial skin. Rather than simply reacting after someone touches it, GENE.01 can sense nearby people, detect changes in temperature, measure pressure, and respond to physical contact in real time. That means it can notice someone approaching and adjust its position before they even make contact. Once someone does touch the robot, it continuously measures how much force is being applied and exactly where that pressure is coming from, making interactions feel much smoother and more natural. This sensitive skin also makes teaching the robot much easier. Instead of relying only on videos or computer instructions, a person can physically guide the robot's arm through a task while showing exactly how much force should be used. Whether it's gripping an object gently or pressing firmly during a job, the robot learns not only the movement, but also the amount of pressure needed. That gives it a much better understanding of how to repeat the task accurately on its own. Behind the scenes, GENE.01 uses a control system that treats its entire body as one connected system. Its movements, balance, joint positions, and decision-making all work together continuously rather than as separate functions. The robot also considers the people working nearby, calculating how much space they need and adjusting its own movements to stay safe and efficient. This technology builds on years of robotics research in Italy and represents the first industrial version of work that was previously demonstrated in research projects. Generative Bionics isn't positioning GENE.01 as a finished product ready for every factory. Instead, it's offering a flexible platform that can be customized for different industries. Companies can tailor the robot's software for specific jobs, redesign its outer body for different environments, and even swap out its hands and feet with specialized tools. One of the first real-world projects is already underway with shipbuilder Fincantieri, where GENE.01 will be equipped with welding tools to work in the tight, hard-to-reach spaces commonly found inside ships. Testing is expected to begin later this year. Another feature that could speed up adoption is the robot's digital twin. Companies don't have to wait until a physical robot arrives to begin planning. They can download a virtual version of GENE.01 and run it inside their existing simulation software to test workflows, evaluate performance, and see how the robot would operate in real-world environments. That allows engineers to experiment, make adjustments, and prepare for deployment long before the actual hardware reaches the workplace. GENE.01 shows how humanoid robots are evolving beyond research labs and becoming practical tools for industry. With advanced sensing, adaptable hardware, and realistic digital simulations, this platform offers a glimpse of how future workplaces could combine humans and robots more efficiently than ever before.